Welcome to the new house. So I've actually been living in the van for probably about 6 weeks now. Absolutely loving it, I'll just add. I've actually rented out my property so that I can tick off a life goal to live in a camper van, or a van, converted van. So here I am, down on the Dorset coast this evening. It's absolutely stunning out there today, which is quite surprising because we've had an awful lot of rain today. There's a lot of mud, so the walk to Mupe Bay tomorrow morning in the dark should be quite interesting. But yeah, I'm going to head down there in the early hours to hopefully take some pictures of sunrise, although it is supposed to be quite misty in the morning. Hopefully it's not complete waste of time. It can be sometimes when there's mist. So I've just got the diesel heater going for the first time. I'm toasty. It's only been on for about 5 minutes, maybe a bit more than that. So far, nothing's gone bang. It's warm, and I'm just enjoying the most incredible sunset. Ah yes, that's what I'm talking about. I've not actually had it plugged in since I bought the van, just because, well, I haven't really needed it, to be honest, because it's been fairly mild. I think it's got down to a couple of degrees on a few occasions, but I've got my winter sleeping bag. It's been keeping me nice and toasty. I haven't really felt a need to have the heater on, but with it getting down to -3 tonight, I thought I'd air it out a bit in here because there is a bit of condensation from last night. But yeah, so far so good. I'm not actually staying here tonight. For info, anyone watching this is like, you're on Lower Ranges, you're not allowed to camp. No. I'm not staying here. I've actually got permission to stay on someone's land a bit further down the road, so that's what I've got to see about that. Right, that's it. In my sleeping bag, my winter sleeping bag, inside my double sleeping bag, just for good measure. I'm going to chuck on a film and probably pass out pretty soon and get up bright and early. Actually, it's definitely not going to be bright at 4:30 in the morning, but I will be getting up early and making the walk to Mupe Bay. But yeah, anyway, I shall see you in the morning. Morning, gang. Was it 4:30? So I slept in a little bit. I was supposed to get up at 4. So I'm going to head down to the car park now, park up, make myself a coffee, probably get the heater going, just to, I don't know, I don't think it was as cold last night as it was forecast. Definitely doesn't feel that cold. I was toasty anyway, but yeah, going to get down to the car park and make my way over to Mupe Bay now. Sorry to disturb you. Lovely. I'm just at the steps now that take you down to Mupe Bay. I see some lights in the distance actually. It looks like some people have camped out on the beach to my left. Right, got to try and remember how to take pictures now because it's been at least 6 months, I would say. Apparently it helps if you put the battery in. Unfortunately, Lulworth Cove is a no-go at the moment because there's been quite a big rockfall, so the only way to get here is from the, oh god, right, where are we? No, the east of Mupe Bay via Arish Mel. But yeah, it's safe to say that this is one of, if not the best spot in Dorset for sunrise. Really. actually. It's a beaut morning for it. It's definitely not -3 wind chill, I can say that now, because I can feel my fingers. Just like that. It's too bright to take pictures now. So I think I'm going to head back, see if I can get some pictures on the cliffs to my left. Maybe it was a bit colder than I thought. A little bit of ice. Well, I nearly made it back to the van without getting covered in mud. I don't know what happened there. Oh dear.